What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. It's Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. Now, imagine this. The year is 2032. You wake up, grab your coffee, check your old crypto wallet, and see zero point 0.1 Bitcoin sitting there. It's worth over $1 million. And the crazy part, you remember when that same 0.1 Bitcoin was worth just $11,000 back in 2025. Now, here's where it gets wild. Someone else watching this video also bought Bitcoin, but they only grabbed 0.01 Bitcoin, 1/10 of what you did. And yet they're still living a completely different life. Not broke, not rich, but free. Because while you bought Bitcoin for wealth, they bought it for freedom. And both of you were right. Today, we're breaking down the psychology, math, and real world power behind those two numbers, 0.01 and 0.1, and why both could make you rich, but in different ways. Now, let's be real. Most people watching this still think they need a full Bitcoin to matter. They look at the price at $110,000 at the time of recording this video and say, I'm too late, I can't afford it. That right there is the biggest wealth killing sentence in the world. Because the truth is, you don't need to own the whole Bitcoin. The power of Bitcoin is that it's divisible down to 100 millionth of a coin. That means even 0.01 Bitcoin, about $1,100 at today's price, puts you ahead of over 98% of the planet. Now think about that. Most people don't even own any Bitcoin. Just holding a slice, even a tiny fraction, means you're already playing a game almost nobody else is even aware exists. But here's where it splits. The person stacking 0.01 Bitcoin is thinking survival. The person stacking 0.1 Bitcoin is thinking legacy. And the difference? It's everything. Owning 0.01 Bitcoin is like owning your escape key. It's small, yes, but it's powerful. Imagine a world where your dollars buy less every month, where banks freeze accounts overnight and AI starts replacing millions of jobs. That 0.01 Bitcoin, that's your emergency exit. It's the first brick in your digital fortress. The moment you stop renting your future from a system that prints money endlessly. It's the line in the sand between being a consumer of inflation and an owner of something finite. That little 0.01, $1,100 today, could be worth 10, maybe 20,000 within a few years. If Bitcoin does what it's done over every cycle before. And it's not just about price, it's about proof. When you buy 0.01 Bitcoin, you prove something to yourself. You stop saying one day and start saying, I've started. That tiny act rewires your brain from fear to ownership. That's why I call 0.01 Bitcoin the survival stack. It's not about getting rich, it's about staying sovereign. Now let's talk about the big brother, the 0.1 Bitcoin holder, about $11,000 at today's price. This is where wealth transformation actually begins. Because 0.1 Bitcoin isn't just a financial position, it's a mindset shift. It's when you stop playing defense and start building offense. At this level, you're thinking about leverage. You're thinking about your future self. You realize you don't need millions in fiat. You just need exposure to an asset that's designed to rise as everything else fails. Now here's the math. If Bitcoin ever reaches 1 million per coin, that 0.1 Bitcoin turns into 100,000. Not bad for something you can still buy for 11 grand. But if Bitcoin hits 5 million per coin, a level some analysts like ARK Invest believe could happen this decade, that same 0.1 Bitcoin becomes $500,000. Now that's what I call the freedom stack. It's the amount that starts to replace your income, buy back your time, and open doors you never thought you'd walk through. Now, the 0.01 holder and the 0.1 holder live in different worlds, even if they both started with a phone and an app. The 0.01 holder is protecting their downside, saying, I don't want to be left behind. Now, the 0.1 holder is amplifying their upside, saying, I'm betting on the future. Yet, both are escaping the same trap, the paycheck treadmill. The real difference is time horizon. The 0.01 holder often checks prices daily, fearing dips. The 0.1 holder checks conviction. They're zoomed out 5, 10 years, both are right, because one is building safety and the other one is building freedom. But here's the secret most miss. You can't become the 0.1 holder until you start as the 0.01 holder. The path to freedom begins with the smallest step of ownership. Now let's zoom way out. Right now, Bitcoin is around $110,000. Institutions are flooding it. Spot ETFs are driving demand from people who once laughed at Bitcoin. And the supply, it's shrinking, and shrinking very hard. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's new supply gets cut in half. Now, less than 450 new coins enter circulation daily, while millions of people want them. Now, do the math. When new supply dries up and demand skyrockets, prices move fast. The 0.01 stack you build today could become your financial foundation in the next bull run. And the 0.1 stack, that could be the seed of generational wealth. So what does this actually look like in real life? The 0.01 Bitcoin holder might be the person who no longer fears losing a job because they know even if things crash, they own a piece of the hardest money on earth. The 0.1 Bitcoin holder might be the person who takes time off to build their dream business because their Bitcoin has grown enough to buy them time. Now, both win, but in different ways. One wins freedom from fear, the other wins freedom of choice. And that's the ultimate point. Bitcoin doesn't promise riches, it promises options. Now, here's what I need you to understand. These opportunities don't come twice. Every halving, every cycle, the bar moves higher. The people who thought they were early at $1,000 look like geniuses now. The people who thought 110,000 is too high will wish they started when they could. That's why 0.01 and 0.1 are so important, because they're still reachable. They're still possible, but they won't be for very long. Now, if you stuck with me so far, I want you to ask yourself this. Do you want to be one of the people who look back saying, I wish I started when I had the chance? Or one of the few who look forward saying, I'm glad I saw it early? 0.01 Bitcoin can save you. 0.1 Bitcoin can free you, and both can change your life. And that's if you simply have the courage to start. Because in a world where everyone's chasing the next paycheck, you'll be the one holding a piece of the next monetary era. Now, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. And if this opened your eyes, please hit that like button. It helps more people see what you just saw. And if you're serious about stacking smart and staying early, please consider hitting that subscribe button because I drop videos every day to help you build real wealth in Bitcoin. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi, and we're all Bitcoin Maxis, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good day.